Hello cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today I'm telling you which palette I would keep if I had to keep only one palette. Well, you probably already know that I have a part 1 for this video concept, but since this video was huge, I decided to do it into 2 parts. So basically, we are continuing with the question, if I had to keep only one palette from every makeup brand that I own more than one palettes, which palette would this be? So if you haven't watched part 1, I will have it down here in the description box or maybe in a pop-up link there. And if you're new to this channel, hello, I am Antigoni. I love doing makeup. As you can see, I can do some more crazy looks, I can do body paint, I enjoy everything equally, and if you're gonna see some more makeup content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up to encourage me to do more stuff. And now, without any further talking, let's go to the video! Ooh, now we're getting cheesy because I'm going to talk about a kinda controversial makeup brand, and of course I'm talking about Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I own 2 palettes from his collection, and the palette that I decided to keep for today's video is this one right here, the Alien. So I'm gonna show you the color scheme. My god, I'm in love with this color scheme because look at the greens, look at this neon abduction color, look at the purple, like he nailed it. I love this color scheme so much. I find it so inspiring for me, my makeup style, my makeup looks, like I can totally relate, and I feel that the quality is very well. And although Jeffree Star is kinda controversial as a personality, because I don't wanna say anything more, I cannot just avoid saying that the quality of the shadows is a very good quality, and I love working with these shadows. So yeah, to me it's one of my favorite palettes when it comes to more weird color combos, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you, so that's why I'm mentioning it. Next, I'm going to talk about a Morphe palette. Let me tell you some things about Morphe. I'm not blown away by their quality either when it comes to brushes or when it comes to palettes and eyeshadows and all this stuff. Like, they are kinda okay for their price tag, but I feel that for the same money you can find better things. That's why Morphe is not very high up to my priorities. That's why I'm not buying that much from them. Yes, I buy every now and then when they have some crazy sales like 70% off or stuff like that, because I still want to try their products. I want to have an opinion. That's the only reason that I'm buying. I do not strictly recommend Morphe to you. Anyway, let's go to the palette. So I'm deciding to keep this palette right here. This is the collaboration that they have done with James Charles. Let me open the palette. Ta-da! So basically I'm keeping this one not because I'm in love with the quality, but mainly because I'm using this for body paints. I have used it a lot, as you can see here, here, and here. I'm setting all my colors with these colors. They blend very nice, but I feel that they do not last, but I do not care a lot because I just want a photo and then I remove the makeup pretty much instantly. So for this specific reason, this palette is okay, and the challenge today is to keep one palette from every brand, so this is my choice from Morphe. Now let's go to a Swedish indie makeup brand, and I know that you have seen this brand and this palette a lot of times here in my channel, but that's the point of this video. Basically, I'm telling you my favorite palettes from each brand. So here we have the collaboration that Oden has done with Annette Uberstad, and they came up with the palette Giant Wolves. I would like you to have a look at the amazing color scheme. I have said a lot of times about this stunning duochrome. The grungy dark vibes that this palette gives me are so much inspiring, and I know that's the point, to keep one palette, like to keep you inspired. So I have this purple right here, this purple right here, this dark blue, and if I combine all these colors, I can create amazing makeup looks. Also a bonus, the colors of the packaging of course, and this old school mirror I would say, and it gives me a very nice vibe all in all. Oden's eyeshadow quality is great, it's perfect, so I'm not choosing this palette because of the quality, because all the palettes that I have tried from them have equal amazing quality. I just love the color scheme. Let's see what we have next. Ooh, it's BH Cosmetics, and actually a lot of things are happening these days with BH Cosmetics. I have already uploaded a video about my thoughts, my opinion about their bankruptcy. Nowadays they have been bought by Makeup Revolution, which is kind of what's gonna happen to them, because I feel that they might decrease their quality. Hopefully not, but this is how I think about it, this is what I feel. Hopefully Makeup Revolution can increase their quality on the other hand, but I'm not sure. Anyway, let's go back to the palette. My favorite palette from them, the one that I would keep, is this one right here. It's the Birthstone from December, and specifically it's the turquoise. Look at the color scheme. I have done a look with this palette, like all the colors are amazingly great. This glitter is wow. I have done an amazing eyeliner with this one. This made me so happy actually, because it's nice to have a glitter in a non-glittery palette, like to see a glitter, some metallics, some mattes. To me, all these colors are making the perfect color scheme. Did you expect to see a video here in my channel without at least one Colourpop mention? Why, people? Why? So from Colourpop, to be honest, it was the most difficult choice that I had to do, because I love all their palettes, specifically their collaborations, specifically the themed palette, and they have very nice quality, so it was really hard to me, but I made my mind. And for today's video, I'm choosing this palette right here. This is the collaboration that they have done with Barbie, and again, this palette is bringing a lot of great memories to me. I used to be a Barbie girl when I was a child. I used to have over 100 Barbies, and I used to play with them a lot. This is the color scheme. You can find pink. Oh my god, look how vibrant is this pink. You can find this great blue, and you can find the glitter editions from these two colors. You have some mattes to complete your look. You have this great orange, this yellow, so you can do a lot of things. I wouldn't say that this is a rainbow palette because it doesn't contain a red, and this is a good thing, okay? Who likes red? I hate red. Anyway, I'm not red racist. If you like red, it's great. It's just a color that is not working for me. That's why I love this palette so much, because it's a rainbow palette without the red, and yeah, without the green also. I miss the green, to be honest, but I'm happy because it doesn't have the red. Anyway, the mirror is so nice. The whole, you know, creation and the packaging is great, and again, it brings me so many memories. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. In this video, we are discussing about keeping only one palette, and actually I decided to tell you the word for only since I realized that I have never mentioned this in Greek. So in Greek, we say mono. Say with me, no. Mono. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word mono, or tell me the word for mono in your own native language. Let's go, people! Next palette and last palette is more of a bonus in my mind. So I'm gonna talk about KVD and this palette right here. This is Sand and Sinner. Let me show you the color scheme. Like, let me show you the inside of the palette. Oh my god! It's wonderful, right? It's an amazing palette. To me, this is considered as a bonus because KVD still exists, but it's not owned by Kat Von D anymore, unfortunately. They have changed a lot of things, mainly their aesthetics. I hate their aesthetics these days. I miss Kat Von D's amazing art. Like, I love the art. I have not all of her palettes, but almost all of her palettes. That's why I decided to tell you about this one, because I find it kinda unfair to own that many palettes from a brand, to love so much a brand that is pretty much non-existent these days and not talking about it. I feel that this palette deserves to have a part here at my video, even though that it's way discontinued, even though that you cannot find it, but I still love it. I think it's my favorite palette from all the palettes that I own, so of course I would like to include this palette in this video. Oh, I realized that I forgot to mention about this makeup that you see right here and the makeup that you see at the rest of the video. So you can find both of makeup looks at my Instagram page, which is Catlady Antigoni. You can go and follow me there to see more makeup looks, to have some time to zoom in at the pictures and to see the makeup for many perspectives, because we have like 5 picture galleries there. So don't forget to follow me there, and hopefully I will see you there as well. And this was our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed the whole discussion about palettes, both in this part and part 1 as well. Don't forget to write a comment down below about your choices. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you on Tuesday with a makeup tutorial. Until then, bye bye!